Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss Max 2A complex numbers, very important for 2 marks. Polar form. Polar form is also known as mod amplitude form. Steps to solve polar form. Follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Compare with z equal to a plus ib. Then find a comma b values. Step 2. Find r value by substituting r equal to root over a square plus b square. Step 3. Compare a comma b and find quadrant. Theta belongs to quadrant 1 or quadrant 2 or quadrant 3 or quadrant 4. Step 4. Find theta value. Step 5. Substitute in polar form. A plus ib equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. See the brackets. Follow these 5 steps and then you can easily solve this polar form. Seventh question. Express the following in polar form. Mod amplitude form. First sub question. 1 plus I root 3. Second sub question. Minus 1 minus I root 3. Solution. First sub question we are going to solve. Given 1 plus I root 3, assign with z. Z equal to 1 plus I root 3. Now compare with z equal to a plus ib. Here a equal to 1 in place of a1 and in place of b root 3. So b equal to root 3. 1 plus I root 3. A means 1 plus I. In place of b, here it is root 3. R equal to root over a square plus b square is equal to, in place of ab you need to substitute 1 and root 3. Root over 1 square plus b means root 3 whole square is equal to root over 1 square 1 plus square root get cancelled, then 3, 1 plus 3 4, root 4. Root 4 means 2. R equal to 2. A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. A, B is positive values, so greater than 0. Theta belongs to quadrant 1. When A, B is positive, then it belongs to quadrant 1. Theta belongs to quadrant 1. Theta equal to tan inverse of B by A is equal to tan inverse of B means root 3. Root 3 by A means 1 by 1. Tan inverse of root 3 by 1 is equal to tan inverse. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. Theta equal to pi by 3. Tan inverse root 3 value is pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 3. Therefore, polar form of 1 plus I root 3 is equal to 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 bracket close. Second sub question, minus 1 minus I root 3 given minus 1 minus I root 3 assigned with z equal to compare with z equal to a plus ib. Here a equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus root 3 is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3. A is equal to minus 1. A means minus 1. B is equal to minus, see here plus is there na, but in question minus root 3. R equal to root over a square plus b square is equal to, in place of a substitute minus 1 whole square plus, in place of b minus root 3 whole square, root over minus 1 whole square plus minus root 3 whole square is equal to root over minus 1 whole square means 1 plus minus root 3 whole square. Minus will become plus, square root get cancelled. So root over 1 plus 3 is 4. Root 4 equal to 2. R equal to 2. A less than 0, B less than 0. Theta belongs to quadrant 3. A, B values are negative, so theta belongs to quadrant 3. Theta equal to minus bracket open pi minus tan inverse of B by A is equal to minus bracket open pi minus tan inverse of, in place of B and A substitute minus root 3 by minus 1 bracket close is equal to minus bracket open pi minus tan inverse of minus minus get cancelled, root 3 by 1 bracket close is equal to minus bracket open pi minus tan inverse of root 3 by 1 root 3 bracket close is equal to minus bracket open pi minus tan inverse root 3, it is pi by 3 is equal to minus 3 into pi 3 pi minus pi by 3 bracket close is equal to minus 3 pi minus pi 2 pi by 3. Theta equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Therefore, polar form of minus 1 minus I root 3 is equal to 2 into cos of minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin of minus 2 pi by 3 bracket close. I hope you are watching this last minute video also. This is specially for who stayed for last minute. Means I am going to explain in a very detailed way. Means this is a quick revision of polar form. Express the following in polar form. They will be given mod amplitude form. If they didn't given also, you need to learn this alternate name. I am going to solve these two sub questions. Solution. Write whatever given in the question. Z equal to 1 plus I root 3. Then compare with Z equal to A plus IB. Then you'll get AB values. Then substitute in R equal to root over A square plus B square. Then you'll get R value. Now you can clearly see this graph. A greater than 0, B greater than 0 because A, B values are positive. Then theta equal to tan inverse of B by A. So learn this. A greater than 0, B greater than 0, theta belongs to quadrant 1. then theta equal to tan inverse of b by a. In place of AB, you need to substitute values, then you'll get theta value. At last, means step 5, polar form. In polar form, you need to substitute A, B, R, theta values. A plus IB equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is a polar form. Now second sub question. Minus 1 minus I root 3, whatever given, write that, assign with Z, compare with Z equal to A plus IB, then you'll get AB values. So substitute AB values in R equal to root over A square plus B square, then you'll get R value also. Now for condition, see this graph again. A is less than 0, B is also less than 0, means AB values are negative, then condition is this. Learn this thoroughly. Theta belongs to quadrant 3. Because AB values are negative. Theta equal to minus bracket open pi minus tan inverse of B by A bracket close. So substitute AB values, then you'll get theta minus 2 pi by 3. Now here also step 5. Step 5 is the last step to solve polar form. When substitute in polar form A plus IB equal to R bracket open cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substitute AB, R, theta values, then I'll get. Thank you so much, friends. You're the only reason to continue my journey in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Whenever I get demotivated, I'll just read each and every comment and I'll get motivated through that. So, thank you so much. I would like to say thank you. Thank you so much. It's never too late to study and better yourself. So just start preparation. Like practice daily and get good marks. All the best, friends. Thank you so much. And once again, all the best. Stay tuned for further videos.